Everyone, my name's Emma from Supercala Children's Yoga and this is Meddy Teddy, and today we're going to go on an adventure to the classroom. So if you've been homeschooling, I thought it might be quite fun to do some songs about counting, because it's fun when you learn with singing and dancing, isn't it? So that's what we're going to do today. But before we do, we're going to do our usual opening where we say Namaste. We put our hands near our heart and we remember that the light in me sees the light in you. Do you remember that? Now we're going to close our eyes and you can put your hands on your knees and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed and we're going to count to 3 with 3 breaths. So breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. And just breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. And then can you think of something that makes you happy? Maybe something that somebody's done for you in the last day, something you've done for them, maybe for one of your family or for your friends. And think about how it makes you feel inside. And maybe you could turn the corners of your mouth up and smile. Let your eyes close. So, before we start doing our counting games, we're going to do a song about sitting still and also moving. It's called Flibberdy Doos. So I know when I was at school, I couldn't sit still all the time. I had so much energy and I wanted to move around. So I thought before we start learning, we can move use up some energy. So shall we start with our first song? Okay. Sit down, why can't you just sit down? Can you be really still? Sit down and shh, please sit down. How still are you? Oh, but I got the flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doo. Oh, I can't stop moving! Flibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. I've got the flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. I can't sit still, I can't sit down, I just keep spinning round and round. Let's give it another go. Let's sit still again. Sit down, why can't you just sit down? Sit down and shh, please sit down. But I got that flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. The flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. I've got the flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity. I can't sit still, I can't sit down, I just keep spinning round and round. Oh, back to our statue. Sit down, why can't you just sit down? Sit down and really still. Please sit down. Oh, I can feel it coming. But I got the flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. The flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. I got the flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity, flibbity jibbity doos. I can't sit still, I can't sit down, I just keep spinning round and round. Woo! So, we're now going to play a game, and it's about 2 things. 1, 2. And we're going to sing and do the 2 things at the same time, okay? So just copy me. Are you ready?
Hey guys, do you want to play a game?
Yeah!
I can do 2 things, watch me, watch me. I can do 2 things, watch me now. You can do 2 things with me, with me. You can do 2 things with me now.
Hey, who can nod their head
So,
and flap their arms?
Can you nod your
I
head?
can nod my head,
And
I can flap my arms. I can nod my head, I can flap my arms.
And then can you do it at the same
As I nod my
time?
head, I can flap
Do you
my
feel silly?
arms. As I nod my head, I can flap my
do two things, watch me now. You can do two things with me, with me. You can do two things with
us.
me now.
How about we shrug shoulders and tap toes?
I can shrug my shoulders, I can tap my toes.
Can you do that?
Shrug my shoulders, I can tap my toes.
Can you do it at the same time?
My shoulders,
That's an
I can
easy
tap
one, isn't it?
My toes.
They're moving at the same
My
time. Can you
shoulders,
do
I
that?
can tap
Yay,
my
well
toes.
done. I like that one. Easy's good.
I can do two things, watch me, watch me. I can do two things, watch me now. You can do two things with me, with me. You can do two things
You can
with
do it with
me
us.
now.
Ready?
Ooh, jump around and shake your hands.
I can jump around,
I can
shake my hands. I can jump around, I can shake my hands. As I
Now
jump
together.
around,
Everything's
I can shake my
shaking.
hands. As I jump around, I can shake my hands.
Woo!
I can do two things, watch me, watch me. I can do two things, watch me now. You can do two things with us, with us. You can do two things with me now.
stamp your feet and twist your hips.
This is hard.
I can stamp my feet, I can twist my hips. I can stamp my feet,
I can do this
I can
separately.
twist my hips.
It's hard
As I
together,
stamp
look.
my feet, I
Can you
can
do that?
twist
Maybe
my
it's not
hips.
hard for you.
As I stamp my feet,
Whoa!
I can twist my
Well done
hips.
if you're doing that.
I can do two things, watch me, watch me. I can do two things, watch me now. You can do two things with me, with me. You can do two things with me now.
Can you tippy toe and roll your hands?
This is nice. I can tippy toe.
Tippy-toe?
I can roll
Can you
my
roll your
hands.
hands?
I can tippy toe. I
Roll
can
the other
roll
way.
my hands as I
Now at the same
tippy
time.
toe. I can roll my hands as I tippy toe. I can roll my hands.
Whoa! Only one more to go.
I can do two things, watch me, watch me. I can do two things, watch me now. You can do two things with me, with me. You can do two things with us now.
Ooh, let's have a tickle
Should we
and a
tickle?
cuddle.
I can tickle my friends, I can cuddle them too. I can tickle my friends, I can cuddle them too. As I tickle my friends, I
You
can
do the same
cuddle
time.
them too.
Tickle, cuddle.
As I tickle my friends, I can cuddle them too.
Ah, that's a nice one to finish on, isn't it? Did you like that? So that was two things. 1, 2. You can count to 2. Now we're going to do lots more counting, and we're going to do it with kings and queens and pirates and spaceships. So are you ready? Yeah? Are you ready to do lots of counting? Let's stand up. Because the king's
Oh
coming to
yay!
town.
Oh yay!
Take a bow.
That's it.
The
Bow.
king is coming,
Whoa, here comes the king.
riding through the town,
Now,
and the queen
can you be like the queen?
is in her
Sit
castle,
on your
counting jewels upon her
throne.
crown.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Who's the pirates? Can you get in your
Aboard the
boat?
pirate ship,
Like this. This is your
the
boat.
lookout is in his crow's
Okay.
nest,
He's got a patch on
and the
one eye.
pirate is in his
Or
cabin,
he's looking out.
counting gold in his treasure
Counting.
chest.
Okay, we're gonna do this slightly different.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Woo!
Tickets,
Now.
please.
Put
Up
your
on the
legs out.
steam train.
We're not
The
trained.
guardsman waves a flag.
Can you do your arms
The
like this?
conductor is in the carriage, helping people with their bags.
Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Woo! We use our feet.
Counting down,
Now.
prepare for blast-offs. The spaceman
Get
flies
ready. You're
to
going to be like a
Mars.
rocket.
As
Okay?
he soars
Be like a rocket.
through
That's
the night
tickle into
skies,
space.
he
Ready?
is counting all the
Get
stars.
down. 10, 9, 8, 7, into space. That was a really interesting one, wasn't it? We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we did 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we did 5, 10, 15, 20. And then we did 10, 9, 8, 7. We went backwards. All the different ways of counting. Did you learn a lot? I did. I think it's time we have a little rest now, don't you? So, Meddy, shall we do child's pose? I think we should do child's pose. We did happy baby in the last one, so let's do child's pose. So, copy Meddy and copy me. Sit on your bottoms and put your head on the ground. And put your arms down and allow your body to relax. And sigh out.
I can breathe in light and breathe out love.
Can you hear the
I can
words?
breathe in hope.
Breathing in light and love.
Joy. I can breathe in
Kindness.
peace and breathe
Hope
out
and joy.
kindness.
And peace. Allow your body to be really heavy. And now we're going to turn around and lay on our backs. We're going to go into our final position, which is Shavasana. Allow your feet to just open and your arms to hit the ground and
I
sink.
can breathe in light and breathe out love.
And can you be really still again,
Hope and
like we
breathe
were in the
out
statues?
joy. I can breathe in peace and breathe out
When you think of your favourite colour, can you imagine it coming into your body every time you breathe?
I can breathe
Filling your body
light and
full of
breathe
goodness.
out love. I can breathe in hope and breathe out joy. I can breathe
Maybe take your hands and put them on your tummy
breathe out
and
kindness.
see if you can feel your tummy moving up and down. It's very important to lay still and rest and allow your body to create lots of energy for later. Allow you to grow big and strong. Be really calm.
I can breathe in light and breathe out love. I can breathe in hope and breathe out joy. I can breathe in peace.
Very slowly turn onto your side and then sit up. And we're going to start saying goodbye. So we started off with Namaste and we're going to finish off with Namaste. Putting your hands together by your heart and saying Namaste, remembering that the light in me can see the light in you.